Hello, welcome to episode number 50 of Mechanic Dynamics series that we are doing. We are picking the questions, still texting the motion in a lift concept. So a bucket of water of mass 20 kg is being pulled out of a well. We have to find the magnitude of the tension in the rope when it is moving with what? A constant speed, and when it has an acceleration of 0.3 meter per second squared. So if we this is not necessary as in drawing the well, but if let me just have the bucket is within and is being pulled by a rope. So we can see that if this is the bucket, we are having a tension in the rope. This is a rope. As you pull the rope, this is coming up. So this tension is moving up, whilst the weight of the bucket will assume downward movement. Remember, the acceleration of the bucket up. You see the tension is dragged up. The acceleration is also going to be moving what? Upward. So this is the concept from the well. As you are pulling this, the bucket is coming up. There's a force propelling it, which is acceleration. Then the tension in the string will also be pulled out. Now we can resolve this directly by having the upward movement minus the downward movement equals the force applied. So in this case, the net force I am only going to have T minus mg equals what? Ma. This is what we are going to have. So if I have the first part of the question, when velocity is constant, that means that our acceleration is what? 0 meter per second squared. It's moving with what? Constant velocity or a uniform velocity. The acceleration becomes 0. That simply means that the force or the tension we are looking for is going to be minus mg equals to what? M times what? 0. That will be 0. So T become m what? G, where we have 20 times the gravity is 9.8. Let's see what that will be when we compute that together. That will be 98 times 2. And if you multiply 98 by 2, you have 196 what? Newton. So that is going to be the tension, that the magnitude of the tension when it is moving with what? A constant velocity or constant speed. So for the second one, we still have the tension minus mg equals to ma. Let's group this up to have our tension equals to the mg plus what? Ma. This can be taking the m out, then g plus what? A. So let's see what the tension is going to be. The mass is 20. The gravity is what? 9.8. The acceleration of the body is 0.3. So let's see if you add 9.8 plus 0.3, that will give you, okay, this is multiplication. So in this place we have 10.1. And if we multiply that by 20 now, that will give you 202 Newton. So this is going to be when it is moving with what? Acceleration of 0.3. Here 196 if it is moving with what? A constant what? Velocity, which is the acceleration is what? 0. Okay, the concept is clear. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come for more.